Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we had this big push up on Friday, and ever since it's kind of been very overlapping, which tells me it's very, very likely a correction to this last wave up. I do think there's a very good likelihood we are going to get another wave up, whether it's like a wave three and it just takes off like that, or whether it turns into like a wave C and it just goes to like a Fibonacci retracement level and turns back down is going to have to be the question we have when this wave starts. So, anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I would put my Fibonacci retracement on this last move right here. We already got one down, so possibly a wave A already in. We already got possibly two up, three waves up for a wave B. It looks like we could already be in a wave C. It may not be complete yet. It may have to make, like a wave four and a wave five, a wave C, and it could even push down to a lower Fibonacci level. But I definitely would be keeping an eye out on your fibs for that double bottom breaker structure we always look for either the continuation up for a big old wave three or the continuation up for a big wave C. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.